back to the Duncan pregame show. He's carried the plate.
In a way, it's kind of like giving your fame away.
GrowWealthSafely.com. That's GrowWealthSafely.com to
work this weekend, just turn us up and drown them out. Southern New England's Cat Country, 98.1.
Slowly but surely, the month of May is winding down, and I am here to issue a May Day as it pertains to your health and your well-being. You definitely want to be running on all cylinders as June and the summer approaches, and the best way to do that is with the juice cleanses from Squeezed.com.
And how about this? There is no delay in helping you to feel better, maybe lose a few pounds, a few inches. A lot of folks who have tried...
Still have it and wear it to this day.
Do you still have
Yes, I do, and I still wear it.
Manage the park, manage the unfortunate.
Cleaning solution X.
Where you gotta manage.
Stay down on the menu.
Or nail or something. Easier. Security medic. Thanks. Hey, I heard you were...
It's on top rated net.
From anxiety, depression, and I know when I get really anxious, I get a lot of tension in my neck and my shoulders, and one of the things I love to do is yoga to help out with that. And I found this girl on YouTube, Yoga with Adrienne. You may have heard of her. She's amazing. She has a couple awesome videos for like neck and shoulder pain, and especially I know people start going back into the office and you're typing more and whatnot, and even just sitting at home in the office, you can literally do one of the videos just sitting in a chair. It's pretty awesome. So I thought I would share them with you because I find them helpful, so why not share it? So you can check it out on my blog, 94hjy.com, and get some relief and relax a little bit. I'm here to help. Plus, got some classics up next too. That always helps.
Hold. And short, sorry about sending you that eggplant emoji.
He wasn't pleasuring himself. It's just that he's so old, everything's sagged down. The slats.
Wendy's Frosty-Chino is cold brew with Frosty Creamer. So wake up with a breakfast Baconator, seasoned potatoes, and a little Frosty in your coffee. And make your good morning great, because Wendy's Frosty-Chino is cold brew with Frosty Creamer. Choose wisely. Choose Wendy's. A participating U.S. Wendy's.
Let's be real. Mopping is a hassle. You have to fill the bucket, pushing a wet, heavy mop around, then cleaning the mop when you're done so it doesn't grow bacteria. A hassle on top of a hassle. Try Swiffer Wet Jet. With Swiffer Wet Jet, you start with a fresh pad and cleaning solution every time. And when you're done, you just toss the pad. Swiffer Wet Jet. The faster, easier, cleaner way to clean your floors.
The good news is that warmer weather is on the way. The sad news, you've got a lot to do around the house. And please don't go to the big box store. You want to send your money to some big mega international shareholders? No. Go to the experts at Durfee Hardware. They've got all your warm weather needs, gardening equipment, mulch, flowers, soil, weed killer, fertilizer. You get the idea. They do tool rentals and home delivery. And they have employees who actually know what they're talking about. Forget about the big box stores. Head to Durfee Hardware, Wall Street, Cranston.
From swimming pool fun to cozy nights in front of the fire and keeping power on during major storms, count on Petro Home Services for all your propane needs. Reliable delivery, expert installation and maintenance, no tank rental fees, and 24/7 live local support. All from a team that's always working to provide better service. That's the Petro promise. Switch to Petro today for low prices and $100 of free heating propane. Visit petro.com now or call 1-888-PETRO02. Propane not available in all areas.
BJ's Wholesale Club is your summer go-to, from grill prep to cleanup. Right now, spend $50 on qualifying items and get $10 in BJ's awards. Visit bjs.com/bbqfaves for details or look for our flyer in club. BJ's, live generously.
It's a celebration. Market Basket is pleased to be bringing more for your dollar food shopping to Rhode Island. Everyone is welcome at the new Market Basket, now open at Bald Hill Commons, Universal Boulevard off Bald Hill Road in Warwick. See what it's all about and enjoy these more for your dollar features. Large white eggs, only 79 cents a dozen. Cracker Barrel cheddar cheese, 2 8-ounce bars for $4. Market Basket boneless, skinless chicken breast, any size package is just $1.99 per pound. All variety.